April was playing over here, and I just heard him like squealing, so I thought I'd get it on camera. It's morning time, so he's super energetic. He went to bed he fell asleep at 8 o'clock last night, and he didn't get up till 9:30 this morning. He did eat a few times in the night, but he didn't get up for the day until 9:30. So do the math. That's like 13.5 hours of sleep right there. He's good to go. I can't believe he slept that long, but he was really tired yesterday, and he got woken up from his nap way too early, so I guess he needed to catch up. I don't know. Like staring intently at his little stuffed animal. Always kicking his legs. Bless you. He has an appointment today. We're going to see how much he weighs. You can see from here he's chunking out in his little thighs. Got some little thigh rolls. Hi, Gabe. You say hi to everybody? Huh? You say hi? Hey! Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Oh. 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 Hello. 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 Hey. Oh. Hello. Yeah. I gotcha. I gotcha. Woof. Woof. Mwah. Mwah. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, still almost 4 months old. I'll be 4 months in a little under a week. In 5 days, actually. Her birthday's on the 27th, huh? Today is October 22nd. That means we have 5 days. 5 days. I set him on our scale this morning. It said he weighed 13 pounds. Huh. He was wearing his huge cloth diaper and pajamas and everything, but yeah, I bet it's pretty close to that, huh? My big boy. My big boy, you're just growing and growing and growing. 13 pounds almost at 4 months, huh? He's just like pedaling his feet over here. Are you almost done playing? Yeah? He's so vocal. And then usually when I turn the camera on, he stops talking and just stares at me, huh? But you got to see a little bit of it today. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Uh-huh. Yeah. I don't know why he likes it when we blow in his face, but he thinks it's fun. You think it's fun? Oh my goodness. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. That is your belly making that noise. It's like a drum. It's like a drum. It's like a drum. Huh. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. He grew into his hands. They're not quite as... They're still big, but they don't look quite as big as when he was first born. Because he was so little then. Huh. Huh. Yeah. Okay, I better keep working on my homework. We love you. We love you. We love you. Yeah. He likes eating his little friends there. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye.